Hi everyone. So in this video I want to share with you guys that I am doing laundry. I just folded and did my son's laundry. As you guys know, this weekend is going to be super special. We're going to be traveling to Los Angeles. As you can see, I'm drinking my coffee. I already broke my fast. It's like 12 o'clock and I already had my first meal. So right now I'm finishing up my coffee, and I folded all my son's clothes because I needed clean pajamas for him, and I needed to wash the masks. So this is one of the masks that we're gonna be taking for him, and then here are three other ones, and these are from the Disney store. And I also have the reusable masks that I'll be taking in his backpack, and this is a changing pad in case I need to change him and we're somewhere where um, I can't. So I have a beanie here because I know I'm just gonna take a beanie, maybe two. And I know that in Los Angeles it's a little cooler than where we're at. Where we're at, there's no sign of fall, but over there I know there is. Got clean socks, pajamas, his shorts. So I practically did all the laundry. I did my laundry yesterday. I'm doing my husband's laundry so he doesn't have to come home and do it because he likes doing his own. But I already cleaned the house. I already cleaned the upstairs. I changed sheets. I cleaned everything. I vacuumed the whole house, upstairs and downstairs. And I wanted to show you guys a little DIY that I did with my son yesterday. We went for a nice little walk yesterday and we picked up some branches. And what I did was I painted them black and he helped me paint the branches black. And I decided to do some little ghosts and some little bats. And I think this looks so pretty. I'm going to show you a picture. And this vase I had in my upstairs room, and it was clear. So my husband had extra paint and I decided to paint it, and I think it looks beautiful. I love how it looks. It just gives it a really nice look with the mirror. I'll show you guys a picture of how it really looks, and it's easy if you guys have kids or if you want to do something on your own. I think it's really cute just to add a little bit of a Halloween vibe. um, but yeah, right now I'm putting all the clothes away. I'm gonna put my husband's clothes away, and then I'm gonna start checking off the checklist that I have of important things like thermometer, like um, Advil, stuff like that I need to take in case of an emergency. Um, Toiletries like shampoo, my son's toiletries, my toiletries, my husband's toiletries. So all that I have to start packing and putting away stuff. And yeah, and start ironing and steaming stuff because I don't want to be doing it when we get there. So I'll show you guys the whole process. And I'm just so happy that the house is clean. Everything is clean. I already cleaned the whole house. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, so now I am in my son's room and I am just putting stuff together that I know I'm really gonna need for a trip. So we'll start here with the outfit that he's going to be wearing for my dad's service. I was only able to find a shirt like this, but in a polo, really nice material, very lightweight, and also these corduroy jeans or pants from H&M. I got them in a size 3-4. That is all I was able to find that was black, because we're planning on wearing black for my dad's service. So I have a changing mat here just in case I need to change him somewhere. I have a beanie, really lightweight beanie. This one's from H&M, really nice material. I have his masks, and I also have extra masks in his backpack that I'm going to be taking. I have his cologne. I have the shoes that he's going to be wearing the day of the service. I didn't want him to be super uncomfortable, so I got him shoes that he's going to be able to wear again. These are from Nordstrom. Um, they are Burberry's. Got his brush, got some baby wipes. I got him his lotion that I'm going to be taking. I also got him a thicker beanie just in case it does get cold. We have his thermometer, and I have a bag that I usually travel with. I have some Tylenol, baby wipes, hand wipes, body wash, lotion, and some cold calm in case he wakes up with a runny nose, and a comb. So I've never had to use this or this, but I just carry it just in case of an emergency. And I know I'm gonna need some cotton swabs or Q-tips. I'm gonna put some in here. I have 2 pair of pajamas because we are staying 2 nights. I have some hand towels because I like to use them when I take him a bath in a hotel. I don't like to use the hotel towels for him. I have a short. I have 2 pants, 2 long pants, because I don't know how the weather's gonna be. So these are navy blue and black joggers and black shorts. I have a long sleeve, 1, 2, 3 long sleeves just in case it's cooler in LA. Socks that I know he's gonna need, and definitely some wet ones. Um, oh, and I'm gonna take this jacket. It's the first time he's gonna wear it. It's very beautiful. It's from Old Navy. A beautiful little coat because I know it might get cold because it's gonna be an evening service. And that is all I have for him. I know I'm gonna need to iron the tops and what he's gonna be wearing. I don't know. Hopefully all this fits in my bag. And yeah, I just hope I'm not forgetting anything. Okay, so I'll show you guys how I pack everything later.